Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because I haven't done a makeup review in a while, and today's review is gonna be about the Jeffree Star Cremated Palette. This came out a couple weeks ago and it's a super cool toned palette, basically all shades of gray, and it's really out of my comfort zone, so I'm super excited to try it. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, fashion, food, fun, lifestyle vlogs, whatever you want, we got. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's review Cremated. So here she is, totally grayscale, cool tone moment. Definitely different than any other palette I have. There are some really beautiful shimmer shades in here that I'm excited to use. I'm trying to decide what kind of look I want to do today. I really don't know, but I'm sure we will find out soon. So I have not used this before except for this one shade, Inheritance, which I actually used on my brows today, which I think looks really good. So, you know, we're off to a good start with this palette. So I don't want to talk a lot, I kind of just want to get into it. So let's do it. Okay, so first shade I think I'm going to go into is Life Insurance, this light gray, and that's going to be like my first transition color. So I'm going to take a super fluffy blending brush and go in with that. That shade's really pretty. It's going on really nicely too. It's blending out like a dream, you can see it. Alright, I think that's looking really nice so far. The next shade I'm gonna go into is gonna be Wednesday, a little deeper of a gray, and with a little more dense of a blender brush. Woo, that one's pigmented. Alright, now I'm taking that original brush that doesn't have anything on it and just blending the two together because it's looking a little crazy. Yeah, definitely looks crazy so far. I think this is going to be a look that's just going to look crazy until it all comes together in the end. Alright, now we're going to continue to go darker and go in with Gravedigger. Such a pretty gray gradient though I'm getting with these colors. The key here is to just blend. If something looks crazy, just blend it out, it'll be okay. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and do a cut crease moment. I'm not very good at them, so I just want to do it off camera. Okay, so I have hooded eyes, so they're not the best for cut creases, but this is what I came up with. So now let's do a shimmer. Super excited about it. I think I want to use Pallbearer, which is this gorgeous shade on the end here. And I'm not gonna wet it or anything. I'm just gonna use it on a dry flat brush and see how it applies to the lid. Okay, not a lot of fallout when I'm touching it with my brush. Wow, that's amazing. Dang. I'm getting a little bit of fallout down here, but that's okay. My eyelid looks wet. That is so cool. I'm actually just gonna go in a little bit with my finger and see how that does. I think it looks just as good with finger or brush. Wow, that is gorge. That would be so pretty just on its own, like smeared all over the lid. I like it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the mattes that I used before that shimmer on my lower lash line in the same order as before. Okay, I'm gonna do eyeliner, finish up the rest of my face, and then come back for a little final impressions moment. Alright guys, so this is the final look with the cremated palette. The lips actually aren't Jeffree, but he does sell colors like this. This is actually lip liner with just gloss on top. So I really like the cremated palette, but when I'm thinking about it, like I only see myself really using it for dramatic looks like this. Like most people are probably drawn to the bottom 2 rows, but I see myself using the top 2 more actually. I don't know, I'll have to play around with it more, see, you know, what shades that I like on myself and stuff like that. But I think the gray is actually really cool with my blue eyes. It kind of brings out the gray in them. And I think this look is super cool and super edgy, and I'm living for it. I've also never done black lips, so there's the first time for everything. And I actually really like it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this review of Cremated. Let me know what you guys think of the look and what you think of the palette, and maybe what I should do with it next. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and that's all I got for you guys. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.